Hey, so I have a bunch of image URLs as you can see here, and I wanted to generate descriptive alt text for all of them. So I remembered I have a script just for that. This is a script, multi AI Google Sheets script. You can get it from here, and after that, you can set it up. So I'll show you exactly how to set it up. At first, when you get the script, you will receive this Notion document. And inside Notion, the first method is to directly use the template, which is this one. You can click on it to make a copy of it and then you can get started. But then the manual setup, the second method is this. You already have a Google Sheets, you get the script, copy from here, and then go to Google Sheets, go to extensions, app script, and then just paste the script and save it. Yes, pasted it and then saved it. Maybe name it something like alt text, right? And then you're done. You can just reload your Google Sheets and you will see a new menu item here, multi AI script. At first, you need to run this setup settings sheet. So when you run this, it will ask you for some permissions. Just authorize everything and you'll see that the new two sheets got generated, the settings sheet and the model sheet. In the settings sheet, this is it. This is how it looks. You have to paste your open router API key here, and then you can use whatever model you want. You have a whole list of it. So first, let me get the open router API. I'm already logged in, so I'll just go to keys section and then create a new API key. I'll name it something like alt text. Get the API key, but make sure to not share it with anyone, otherwise anyone can use your account credits. So I'll delete it after the video. Maybe I can set it up like this. Yes. You can see that the temperature is set to 1, good. Max tokens 8000, yes, works. System prompt, be precise, don't use M dashes. Reasoning effort, low. Enable internet access, yes. When getting errors, yeah, this is good. And the sheet name where we'll be working is sheet 1, right? So sheet 1 is already written here. And the AI model I want, I think Nano will be fine, or maybe Mini. Let's use Nano because we just have to generate alt text and this is not a very complex task. So start row is 2, good. And the end row here will be 46. Maybe I can write 50. It will only work for the rows where we have the data. And prompt columns. I have only one prompt column, which is column B, and I want the output in the column C. So I'll write prompt column B, and then output column is C. So like the process is showing as true, which is good. Otherwise, you can write, go here, insert, and then tick box. Now it's checked, right? So when you check it, then only it will work for this sheet. And it's ready. I can just come here and start generating the text content. But first, I have to write the prompt. So I'll write simply something like this image, because we will be only passing this image for this row. So not images, but write descriptive alt text for this image of yeah, right? And I will have to pass the image URL in the prompt as well. So for that, I'll have to make it as a formula like this, maybe add some space at the end, and then write and then A2, right? If you see, this is the prompt. Let me make it, yeah, like this. You can see that write descriptive alt text for this image of your head, and this is the image URL. Some image URLs are AVIF format, then I think some are in WebP format, but it works for all of them. When I come here and then click on this generate text content, it will start reading the images and then generating the alt text one by one for all of these images. Yes. So here's a good example. You can see that along with the alt text, it's giving you some extra information. Like it's giving me two types of alt text: descriptive, long, concise, short. But I don't want that. So I will edit the prompt a bit and then regenerate. Under 20 words, I'll say, and do not output anything else. Something like this. Let me select and then press Command D or Control D, and it will be applied to all the rows we have. You can see that the prompt is now the same for all the rows with different URLs, of course. And yeah, let's generate again. Let's see how it works. Drone view aerial of yurts arranged in a camp on open terrain. Cozy yurt interior with wooden furniture and a balcony view. Cozy, modern yurt bedroom with circular canvas walls, low bed, warm textiles, ambient lighting. Let's see this image. Yes, it is. You can see that it's correctly describing everything. Cozy yurt interior with lattice walls, armchair desk, curtains, and natural light. Let's see this image. Yes, it is. Colorful round yard with pink roof and teal walls, a stone foreground, fenced yard. And as you can see that this is like 100% correct. So this is how it works. I'll go ahead and cancel this for now. But yes, you can generate these kind of alt text for thousands and thousands of images at once, and it will only cost you a few dollars. I think for all these 50 images that I have, it will not even cost me $1 to generate alt text for all these images. So yes, hope this helps. And if you want to get the script, I'll put a link to it in the description below. You can get it and you can use it for a lot of different things. Actually, I have it mentioned, like you can use it for product descriptions, social media posts, email campaigns in bulk, of course. You can also generate images. We have an image version of the script as well. You can generate text as well as images, and then you can do like document processing, sentiment analysis, data categorization, text summarization, and it has internet access as well. You can see that enable internet access. When you make it as yes, it will also look on the internet for something. If you mention in the prompt that what happened in the latest cricket match, then it will go on the internet and look it up and then give you the result. And it can also read PDFs, images, and yeah, it's I think great. And it will show your open router balance right here. You can see that right now I have $1 in my account. And so yes, this is how it works, and hope this helps.